Flying 400 kilometers above Earth, at a speed of 28,000 kilometers per hour, the International Space Station, or ISS, is one of humanity's most incredible engineering feats. The ISS is a massive science laboratory in space. It's made of 16 pressurized modules that include living quarters, labs, and even gym areas, all built by space agencies around the world, including NASA, Roscosmos, ESA, JAXA, and CSA. The station has different sections for specific purposes. The Harmony module connects everything. The Destiny and Columbus modules are dedicated to research and experiments. Then there's the Zvezda module, the heart of Russian operations on board. On board the ISS, astronauts perform groundbreaking experiments in microgravity. From studying how plants grow without soil to testing how the human body reacts to long-term space travel, everything helps us prepare for future missions to the Moon and Mars. Staying fit in space is critical. Astronauts exercise for 2 hours daily using specialized equipment like treadmills and resistance machines to combat muscle and bone loss caused by microgravity. Maintenance of the ISS often involves spacewalks. Astronauts wear bulky spacesuits to venture outside, repairing solar panels, replacing parts, and ensuring the station keeps running smoothly. The ISS is powered by enormous solar arrays that generate electricity. Batteries store this energy, keeping the station operational even when it's in Earth's shadow. Resupply missions from Earth deliver food, water, and equipment. Robotic spacecraft like SpaceX's Dragon or Russia's Progress dock with the station to keep it stocked. The cupola, a windowed observation deck, offers breathtaking views of Earth. It's a favorite spot for astronauts to relax and reflect on the planet they're orbiting. The ISS is more than a science lab. It's a symbol of international cooperation. It reminds us that when we work together, we can achieve extraordinary things. From life-changing experiments to inspiring a new generation of explorers, the ISS is shaping the future of space exploration. What do you think the next big step in space will be?